My name's Basha and I've worked for TUI for over 15 years and I want to show you the amazing country of Thailand. Thailand is an amazing destination for families. It's packed full of memory-making experiences, great beaches, and tons of cultural gems. Khao Lak is a firm favourite with its kitted out hotels, its long stretches of beautiful beaches, and its access to some of Thailand's best national parks. It's absolutely perfect. Thailand has some stunning temples, so if getting cultural is your thing, then visiting these is an absolute must. Or you can visit the Dragon Cave Temple. The caves here are over 100 million years old. And for nature lovers, visiting a conservation-focused elephant sanctuary is a super special experience. If you're looking for authentic Thai food, then Phuket's Sunday night walking street market is a great shout. In Thailand, we pay with Thai baht, and we recommend bringing cash and card with you. A direct flight from London Gatwick to Thailand is around 12 hours. Thailand is 7 hours ahead of the UK in the winter and 6 in the summer. The best time to visit Thailand is between December and March, when the temperatures hover around 30 degrees. Thailand's rainy season usually runs end of April until October. If you visit in Thailand for less than 45 days, you won't need a visa for your stay. Don't forget to check the FCDO's website for the most up-to-date advice on visa and entry requirements. The language spoken in Thailand is Thai. Hello in Thai is Swadee Krap for males and Swadee Ka for females. Canoe around beautiful islands. Learn to make authentic Thai dishes at one of our cooking classes. If going out is your thing, you'll love the vibrant nightlife here. Catch a glimpse of exotic animals up close and see the islands from the water. That's some of the amazing things that you can do here in Thailand. So what are you waiting for? Jump on a plane and we'll see you soon.